Hello and welcome to Programming Review's video tutorial on a snake game, and this is the first part of many videos on how to make a snake game. In this video we'll be covering how to design it. So we'll start by calling our application snake. Once it's loaded, we'll start by renaming the main form, and we should call it menu, because we're going to create a menu which comes up where the user can set difficulty, put in their name, view high scores, so on. And so we'll call some menu. On this menu we're going to add a button, which will be our play button, so we should name it play. And a label for a title. And that can be just snake. Because our title will change the font so it's bigger and bold, so it stands out more. Other options I'd like to put in the game would be a high score table, so we're going to need a name. So once the user's name has been entered, it will show up on the high score table with the score they get in the game. And we should put in the text box where the user can enter the name. I'd also like the users to be able to select different difficulty levels for the game, so we'll add in difficulty setting onto the form as well. Difficulty, and also text property to difficulty. We'll put on a numeric up down, so set the value of the difficulty, and we'll have it between 1 and 10. So the users can select different difficulty between 1 and 10, and the maximum difficulty being 10, easiest being 1 or 0. I'd also like the users to be able to select whether, be able to set what size the game plays at. So and then we'll put 2 radio buttons, and then the user can select between full screen and custom size. I'd also, like I said, I'd like to have a high scores table, so we'll add a text box where the high scores can be displays. We'll make textures multi-line so it can display multiple high scores at one time, and add a scroll bar to it as well. So all the scores can be displayed. It's important to name your objects, as later on it will help. We set the property of this to read only as well. Scroll bar and read only to true. This will prevent the users from changing the content of the box. Now we'll add two labels so the user can set the custom width and height of the floor of the game. They'll be in pixels. Once again, we'll put in a numeric up and down to set this. Like so, and name this one size. In both cases I would like the minimum size of the game to be 200, so we'll set the minimum value to 200 on both of them. And visibility of all four of these to false, because I don't want them to show unless the customized size is selected on the radio button. So we'll start by setting the default to checked for full screen. So now we shall set the event for when the radio buttons is changed. So for this we shall put another if statement in. If radio button custom checked is true, we set the properties to visible. And we should do the opposite for if it's not selected. So we just copy and paste this. Thank you for watching part 1 of the Snake tutorial. Part 2 will be shortly available. Thank you.